One of the hardest ways to grow a TPT store is this: constantly starting over, finding new buyers, getting new traffic, creating new visibility again and again and again. Because if buyers never come back, growth becomes much harder. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for nearly 2 decades. And one thing I know is this: some stores create repeat buyers naturally, others don't. And over time, that difference becomes enormous. Imagine two different stores. The first store gets a sale. The buyer uses the resource, then leaves. The second store gets a sale. The buyer uses the resource, then discovers another product, and another, and another. Which business becomes easier to grow? The second one, every time, because repeat buyers reduce the need to constantly replace customers. And yet, many TPT stores accidentally create one-time buyers, not because the products are bad, not because the seller is doing something wrong, but because the store was never built to encourage buyers to continue exploring. Strong stores often create natural connections between products. Teachers solve one problem and immediately see another helpful resource. That creates buyer momentum, and buyer momentum creates repeat purchases. For years, I focused heavily on visibility, and visibility matters. But eventually, I realized growth became much easier when buyers continued moving through my store, because every new sale didn't have to start from zero. Many TPT sellers think growth comes from more traffic, but often growth becomes much easier when existing buyers keep coming back. If your store depends entirely on finding new buyers, there may be a structural constraint limiting long-term growth. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder link below. It will help you pinpoint real constraints inside your store so you can make clear growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why adding more products doesn't always make a TPT store stronger, and why bigger stores often create unexpected problems. I will see you in the next video.